Hello everyone, so welcome back into this channel. Today we will learn about the CapCut application and I will show you the way how you can remove the unwanted object from your project on the CapCut. So I already have this video and let's try to remove this object from this video. Like there are like small stickers on this library, so let's just do this. You just need to go click this project and then just need to take a look on this bottom features and then you just need to slide it into the left side. You need to duplicate this feature, so you need to find this duplicate tools, go click it, and for this duplicate clip you need to make them become an overlay by go click this overlay right after or like before the duplicate tools itself, and then you just need to go click, hold, and then slide the duplicate clip until this just have the same position with the primary clip. The next thing you need to do is just go tap into the overlay clip here and slide this option into the left side until you found the mask, and then you just need to tap it. And now you just need to isolate, or first you need to pick this shape. I will let you choose these circles, and you just need to place this area into the nearest area with the object that you want to remove. And now we just need to make it smaller for this mask. Make it like super small. Perfect. Right after that, we just need to go click this checklist button. The next thing you need to do is just drag right away this area until those object being covered by the area that you isolate with the mask features before. And here is the result. You're not gonna see any stickers again on this. And then that's the way, guys, how you can like remove unwanted project with a CapCut. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and just drop some comment on this video, and let's move again to other tutorial.